Hello, welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. My name is Koosje Koenen and I'm here to guide you on your creative journey. And the creative journey starts outside today, and that's just because I couldn't do it inside. They are drilling in our building and the sound is terrible. And then I decided to say hello to you and bring you this week's video from here, from outside. Nice blue skies. What else do you need? So today I am giving you a video from the archives, but you might not have ever seen it before because there's so many in the archives. And if you have seen it before, well, it's never a bad idea to get back to an assignment or an exercise or a technique, and you'll see that you'll look at it differently and maybe even execute it differently. That was a hard word. Good, well, have fun. Take out your watercolors, a brush or two, and your sketchbook, of course, some water and maybe some piece of kitchen paper to wipe off your brush. First, mix your color. Make sure that you use a lot of water and a lot of paint so you don't run out of paint halfway through your wash and then you need to mix again. Now, once you've done that, you've got a nice puddle. I have actually made 2 puddles because I want to combine this yellow with the green. And now I will pick up this sword brush because it's nice and broad and I can just with a few strokes make that wash, that background wash. The sword brush actually is a really interesting brush because you can use it for big washes like this, but it has such a nice pointy tip that you can also use it for very detailed coloring and painting. It's really nice to work with. Okay, so now that you have the wash, let's start spattering some color in. I will go for a little bit of a green blue, dip my brush in and tap it so that I have a lot of little drips falling down into the wash. And as you can see, it sort of dissolves into the wash. And now when you leave it to dry, you will get a nice organic texture. While we wait for that to dry, we'll make another wash. So we'll do the same again. I will combine yellow and green again. And now I will let this wash dry completely first before I start spattering. In the meantime, I can start drawing on the wash that has dried, the wet in wet spattered wash. Because it's green and so organic, it just makes me think of I need to draw leaves on it, so I will. I'll just use a big chunky marker and fill the page. Now that this wash has dried nicely, I can do another round of spattering. This time, because the background has dried, the spatters will not blend into the wash, but they will just lay on top. And when they have dried, I can do another drawing on them. I hope that was inspiring and I hope it gets you drawing this week. Next week I will be back with another video. Check out my Patreon page, check out my book page and well, all the other stuff that is important I will link below the video. I will see you next week. Bye!